Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Microsoft Edge slow download speed. Let's fix it guys. For the best results I recommend to follow all of these steps. First step, you just need to update Microsoft Edge. To do this, open up Edge, click on the three dot icon on the right and select settings. On left side, scroll down and select about Microsoft Edge. This will automatically check for updates, and after getting you are up to date. Second step, you just need to disable extensions. Select this puzzle icon and select manage extensions. You just need to disable all extensions. After disabling all extensions, you just need to press in keyboard Control Shift plus delete key in keyboard, and you just need to check mark cached images and files, and you just need to check mark cookies and other site data and select the clear now option. After getting done, fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type edge colon double slash flags flags and press enter. In search flag, you just need to type download. Comes up a parallel downloading. Click on this drop down and select enable it and select restart option. And next thing, you just need to click on the three dot icon and select settings. In here, you just need to search use secure DNS. You just need to make sure it is turned off. After that, just to close stuff here. Fifth step, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. You just need to right click on where internet connection you are using. In my case, I am using Ethernet and select properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS server, type 8844. Click on OK. And just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.